you have any gardening questions? Are you wondering where to get a particular plant? Or how well it's done for other gardeners in your area? Or maybe you'd like to know how to amend the soil in your garden or what's eating your plants. There's plenty of free expert advice available if you know where to turn. Here are a few top resources. You'll find links to all the resources mentioned in the description below this video. The National Gardening Association, with over 1 million members, is the largest social media website devoted exclusively to gardening. It offers robust resources for both new and veteran gardeners, including a learning library of articles and podcasts, an enormous plant database, gardening calculators, seed swap groups, and more. If you want to turn your garden into a native plant haven that supports birds, bees, and butterflies, head on over to the Wild Ones website. Watch the Native Landscaping 101 video, explore the step-by-step Getting Started guide, and delve into the ready-to-use garden plans tailored to different areas of the country. Wondering which plants will grow best in your area or in the specific conditions in your yard? A great source of local advice is your Cooperative Extension Service, which is likely to publish a list of plants that will thrive in your area, often with specific information about their growth habits and preferences. Most extension services will also test soil samples you send them and provide detailed advice on how to amend the soil for better results. In addition, they're a great resource when you need expert diagnostic and treatment guidance on plant pests and diseases. To help you narrow plant choices to ones that will thrive in your conditions, take a look at the searchable plant finder databases found on many online nursery websites. A particularly robust one is the Monrovia Plant Finder, which lets you search by multiple variables. If you're wondering where you could buy a specific plant, the Plant Scout page of Dave's Garden website can likely point you in the right direction. This handy database of over 40,000 plants connects you with online nurseries that carry them. And finally, you'll find proven methods of deterring deer, rabbits, and other critters on the Bobx YouTube channel and on the Bobx blog. There are practical tips on garden design and growing thriving hosta, daylilies, hydrangeas, and much more as well. No matter what gardening questions you have, there's free expert help available if you know where to turn. The links below are an excellent place to start. For more garden inspiration and tips, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.